Hello, I'm John Hughes and I'm one of the programme leaders on the new and exciting Coaching for Sport and Fitness degree programmes here at Wrexham Glyndwr University. Whether you're a school leaver or fancy a change in career, these programmes have been designed to offer students a hands-on approach to learning key skills for coaching sport and fitness. We introduce and emphasise relevant theory and embed this knowledge within a framework of real-life experiences, alongside opportunities to gain industry-recognised qualifications. Over the course of the programme, you'll gain knowledge and experience in a range of sport activities and outdoor pursuits, where we capitalise on our location in North East Wales to explore the outstanding natural resources available to enhance your learning experience. Upon completion of the programme, you will be industry ready to follow your future career aspirations.